Hello everybody! Today in Mama Boo's kitchen, we're gonna be making chocolate marshmallow cookies. Let's get right into it. Let me show how I make them. We're gonna start off by preheating our oven at 350 Fahrenheit. Into my bowl, I have all-purpose flour. Then I'm gonna add cocoa powder. I'm using Hershey's. Next, I'm gonna add salt, baking soda. I'm gonna mix everything together, then I'll set it aside. Next, into a separate bowl, I'm gonna add butter and 1/4 cup sugar. Using my electric mixer at medium speed, I'm gonna beat this until light and fluffy. Next, I'm gonna beat in 1 egg, vanilla, and corn syrup. I'm going to beat all this together until well incorporated. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, welcome to Mama Boo's Kitchen. And please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our newly uploaded videos. I'm gonna stop my mixer. Then I'm gonna scrape my bowl. Next, I'll gradually add my flour mixture. Make sure, guys, you beat at low speed. The cookie dough is well incorporated. I'm gonna stop here. Look, guys, this is what we are looking for. Now I'm gonna chill this in the refrigerator for 15 minutes. We're gonna roll tablespoons of dough into 1-inch balls. Then roll in sugar to coat. Then we're gonna place 3 inches apart on parchment lined baking sheet. Now we're gonna bake them at 350 Fahrenheit for 10 to 11 minutes. Cookies are baked. Now we're gonna leave them on the baking sheet for 5 minutes. Then we're gonna transfer them into a cooling rack. Now it's time to assemble sandwiches. We're gonna place marshmallows on a plate and microwave at high for 12 seconds. Then we're gonna place them on cookies and sandwich them. We make sure, guys, you press together slightly. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comment section down below. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.